Here one experiment is given. Take some sand in a crucible, put a few iodine crystals on it. Place a crucible on a triple tripod to heat it. Block the steam of the funnel with a cotton plug and place it inverted over the crucible. Light the burner and heat the mixture in the crucible. Observe the changes. Now see, crucible means this pot. In this pot you just take few iodine crystals. This is funnel. You put this funnel, place the funnel inverted. Inverted means आपको वो funnel उल्टा रखना है. And you block this the end of funnel with the help of cotton. With the help of cotton, and put this crucible in a tripod, means see, in this stand, and you give the heat to this crucible with the help of burner. Why does this happen? Means what will happen actually, we will see here in this point, sublimation. Now what we have do here, we take one stand. On that stand we keep the crucible. In that crucible taking few iodine crystals. On that put the funnel inverted. Close the end of funnel with the help of cotton, and after that give the heat with the help of burner. Iodine crystals do not melt on heating but changes directly to the gaseous state. Now see, you will see here the vapor. These iodine crystals do not melt but directly changes to the gaseous state. When the fumes of iodine hit the walls of the funnel, they cool to form solid crystals of iodine and stick to the funnel walls. Means see, this vapor, after cooling you will see here again the crystal of iodine, and here also, here we are close the end of funnel, and see here also some crystals of iodine is stick to this cotton. Thus on heating, iodine does not melt and changes to the liquid but directly changes to the gaseous state. Generally what happens, see, suppose ice is solid, giving heat to ice, that ice changes into water, means in solid changes into liquid, and again heating, this liquid changes into water vapors, means gaseous state. Means first solid converts into liquid and this liquid converts into gaseous state. But here crystals of iodine is solid. Crystals of iodine is solid that directly changes into gaseous state. Directly solid changes into gaseous state. Means this liquid state is skipping. This liquid state is not happening in iodine crystals. Means if substance directly changes solid to gaseous state, that is called as a sublimation. Solid to gaseous directly. Solid to gaseous directly, that is called as a sublimation. The changes of a solid substance directly into a gaseous or vapor without first changing into liquid is called as a sublimation. Means solid to gaseous state. Solid to gaseous, that is called as a sublimation. And the best example of sublimation is in our day to day life is कापूर. जो भी हम भगवान के सामने लगाते हैं कापूर वाइट कलर का, दिस इज ऑल्सो वो, इफ यू आर टेकिंग that kapur as it is. After a day, that kapur is not there. Means what happened? That kapur is solid state that directly converted into gaseous state. Means some substances are skipping this liquid state, directly changes solid to gaseous state, that is called as a sublimation. You learn this definition. The changes of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapors without first changing into liquid is called as a sublimation. See, whatever exam I have given, that is given here. Use your brain. And opening a box of camphor. Camphor means kapur. Is smell spread all around. What does this happen? Why this happening? Because camphor is solid, directly changes into gaseous state. That's why the smell of camphor is spread all around or all over. Means the solid to direct gaseous state. Solid to gaseous is called as a sublimation.